With me today, I have a pair of waterproof boots. Now the vendor isn't sponsoring or paying for this video, but they're kind enough to send us one of these out to test out. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. So this is how the boots come packaged. They have like a liner to kind of protect everything. And each of the boots has an insert. There you go. So that keeps its shape, so that's nice. Nothing else in the box there. Now everything's rubberized. It does have this insert that's a kind of mesh type foam insert, which is pretty cool. The top here has that same sort of material. So everything that's kind of the rubberized boot is on the bottom here. You also smell they put some oil or protective coating on this. So yeah, basically just a waterproof work boot. Looks like it has a heel support here. This will help create that support for the heel in this area. And everything feels really comfortable. The inside feels fairly comfortable. This has a fairly flexible insole, so that's pretty nice. So yeah, go ahead and try these on and see how they function.
So you can tell it's pretty snowy out. And so I decided to wear the boots in the snow since I don't really have like a lot of water that I have to tread through. So I'm gonna go ahead and test those out, but you can kind of see how they look. They do have a cool look to them. They're pretty sleek. I did put my pant legs in here just to kind of see what it would do as far as protecting my pants. But you can see we just had a freak weather storm that just kind of dumped a bunch of snow everywhere. So I'll give these a test and see how they function and get back with you. So these boots worked fairly well. I consider them like a utility moon boot because they're really warm. These are really good for snow. My feet didn't get cold at all. So yeah, this is perfect. They don't really get that compacted either. You can see just a little bit of snow just from standing on this right here. So, you know, it's allowed me to finish shoveling my driveway and sidewalk and everything. Anyway, I hope this video helped answer some of the questions you had about these boots and if they're the right ones for you.